this one here. And this one is called the Tree Dude 2. Comes with this kind of user manual here. You know, it shows you how to put this thing together. Let me put this up here. What can you see here? There. And of course, there's a little ID card here. Let's open this up. So there's those things what they have. They have the power horse, the solar panel. We had that already. And then the Tree Dude is the mounting bracket where we can mount it with. And they have those straps, olive green straps and the nature brown straps. The king of all straps. So there is this little thing here. You find that on the Amazon too. I leave this here. There you see the company name here. There. Okay, now let's see what's in the box. So first of all, we have the strap. And then we have the actual mount that connects to the camera. And a bag with goodies. Okay. Let's unfold this here. Let's see what we have. This big screws. This here if needed. Most important screw here. And then this, okay. And there we have an idea on how big this is. Okay. And we can use this to mount either our solar panel or our trail cam, the solar panel, or we can even mount the trail cam itself. They always have those screws on there where you can mount them. And let's see how this works. So the base of this whole thing here is this. You see how it's at an angle here. This fits in some tripods. If you have a good tripod, it fits in there and you can mount on there, right? Here, through the sides, you can take your strap. Let's see, where's the startup? Here, there. Take your strap. And you can go through here like this. Like that. And then strap this around the tree. Okay, and then on this plate, you're going to mount your... on this plate, that's where we're going to mount our bracket on here. This is like... I don't know how you would call this, like a wing nut bracket body. Yeah, when you loosen it up a little, you can move those ball joints very easily. Okay, now let's see this. The ball joint can be mounted on this bracket, like this way here. And there's like holes in here, so you can mount this at certain angles. See that? Okay, and then here in the middle, there we need this screw for with a Phillips screw. Goes in there. You can mount this here, and then all you need here is a Phillips screwdriver. Put this in here like this, and now you're able to mount your camera, let's say, on here, right? So if you have a camera like this, you can just mount the camera like this here, right? Like that. And the plate, we can use the strap to fix on the tree. But we can do other things too with this plate. Okay, let's take this out again. We can screw this plate directly to the tree or to a wall, for example. It comes with those screws here, right? They could go through here and you can mount this wherever. If you mount it in brick, stone, concrete or whatever, you can use those little anchors, like maybe say drywall or whatever. That, or you can screw this directly into it. They have, if you can see this here, doesn't want to focus, but they have little drills in the screw already, so it's drilling it in with a little drill on the screw here, both of them. So this will drill into anything. If you have a power tool, you know, that works well. As I said, also goes through here to the wall. Or you can make this even easier. You can drill this ball joint to a tree. Again, if you want, put the rubber thing underneath here. All you need is the Phillips screwdriver here, Phillips, and you just screw this into the tree. Now, once this is in the tree, you can open this up here all the way. So you open this a little further until the ball joint comes out, and you can mount it like this. So you need to imagine that this is now fixed on the tree, this end. Okay, there, and then you can mount your camera on here or your solar panel. So that looks very easy. I'm going to show you on the tree how this works outside. So we do have a decent sized tree, and I'm going to show you how to mount this here. This holder here, this is very easy. You just pick a spot. So where's a good spot here, let's see. Oh. Now, in order to make this easy for me here, I'm going to use a power tool. Of course, I have a power tool here with me. And go in there in the Phillips. And there it is. As you can see, very easy. It's very nicely in here. And then we just need our bracket holder here. See? I can do this with one hand. Look at that. So when you tighten this up a little to get the right position, and then you can mount your camera, or in my case here, I do have the solar panel. You can mount this here easily. I'm going to try to do this with one hand. As you can see, it's very, very flexible here. So you, of course, have to find the correct angle for your panel. Here, like this. Loosen it up a little. Get the right spot, you know. That's how this goes. There. And you tighten it up a little. You can see this here. It is like flexible in whatever position you want, and there you have a very nice mount, easy to install for either your solar panel, for your camera, or the trail cam itself. So here I show you another spot where you can mount where you can use this mount. There you can see it here. Very nice and sturdy. That's how you mount your solar panel.